Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. We are going to solve NCERT class 10 chapter 1 exercise 1.2 question number 2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM multiplied by HCF equal to product of the two numbers. Part 1, 26 and 91. So we start with part 1, 26 and 91. We prime factorize the given numbers. So prime factorization of 26 equal to 2 multiplied by 13 and prime factorization of 91 equal to 7 multiplied by 13. Therefore, LCM is the greatest power of all prime factors. Here we have to choose 2 is one factor and 13 is one factor and 7 is one factor. So we have to choose the highest power of all the factors. So 13 is common in both, so we have taken the highest power of 13, that is 13 to the power 1. 2 is one factor and 7 is one factor, so we have taken all the factors. So LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 7. So 13 times 7 is 91. 91 multiplied by 2 is 182. So LCM is 182. And now we have to find the HCF. HCF is the lowest power of all common factors. So the only common factor is 13. Hence the HCF of the given numbers is 13. Now we have to verify the product of LCM multiplied by HCF equal to product of the two numbers. So we verify it like this. LCM multiplied by HCF equal to 182 multiplied by 13. So we multiply 13 times 2 is 26. We write 6. We carry 2. 13 times 8 is 104. Plus 2 is 106. We carry 10. 13 times 1 is 13 plus 10 is 23. So the product of LCM multiplied by HCF equal to 2366. Now we have to find the product of the two given numbers, which is 26 and 91. So we solve here 91 multiplied by 26. 6 times 1 is 6 and 9 times 6 is 54 and 2 times 91 is 182. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 8 is 3. 13. We carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is 2366. Therefore, LCM multiplied by HCF equal to product of numbers. This we have verified. Part 2, 510 and 92. We prime factorize 510. This is even, so we divide it by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, balance 1. 5 times 2 is 10, balance 1. And 5 times 2 is 10. So 255 is our quotient on dividing by 2. Now this is not even, so we divide it by the next prime, which is 3. we check it whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2. So the sum of the digits is 12. Hence it is divisible by 3. So we divide it by 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Balance 1. And 3 times 5 is 15. So our quotient is 85. And the sum of digit is 8 plus 5 is 13. So it is not divisible by 3. Now as the unit place is 5, so it is divisible by 5. And 5 divides 85 for 17 times. So the prime factor of 510 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17. Now we divide 92 for 5. We find the prime factors of 92. 92 is even, so it is divisible by 2. The quotient is 46. Again it is divisible by 2. This is 23 and 23 is the prime. So our factors for 92 are 92 equal to 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 23. Therefore LCM equal to highest power of all the factors. So the highest power of 2 is 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 23. So we have taken all the factors with its highest powers. So we solve. 2 to the power 2 is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 23. This is equal to 4 times 3 is 12 times 5 is 60. 60 multiplied by, we multiply by 17 and 23. 17 times 3 is 51. We carry 5. 17 times 2 is 34. 34 plus 5 is 39. And now we multiply 60 by 391. This gives us 0 of 60 is kept here, and now we multiply 391 by 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 3 is 18 and 5 23. So our LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 23,460. So we multiplied by 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. We carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 2 is 4. Product of numbers equal to 510 multiplied by 92. So we multiply 510 by 92. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Now we multiplied by 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. 0, 2, 9, 6, 4 equal to 46,920. Thus the product of numbers equal to 510 multiplied by 92 equal to 46,920, and LCM multiplied by SCF is also equal to 46,920. Therefore, LCM multiplied by SCF equal to product of numbers. This we have verified. Part 3 of the question, 336 and 54. We prime factorize 336. 336 is divisible by 2, so we divide it by 2. 2 divides 336 for 168 times. This is further divisible by 2. 2 times 8 is 16 and 2 times 4 is 8. The quotient is 84. This is again divisible by 2. The quotient is 42 now. This is again divisible by 2. And quotient is 21, which is divisible by 3. And the quotient is 7. Now 7 is prime. Our factor for 336 are 336 equal to 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now we prime factorize 54. 54 when divided by 2 gives us 27. Now this is not divisible by 2. We divide it by 3. On dividing 27 by 3 we get 9. 9 is again divisible by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So our factors for 54 are 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3. LCM equal to highest power of all the factors. So this is equal to 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 7. 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. 3 to the power 3 is 27 and 7. So this gives us 16 multiplied by 27 multiplied by 7. This is equal to, if we multiply 16 by 27, 16 times 7 is 112. We write 2 and carry 11. 16 times 2 is 32 plus 11 is 43 multiplied by 7. 4 and 32 multiplied by 7. 7 times 2 is 14. We carry 1. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 1 is 22. We carry 2. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 2 is 30. So our LCM is 3024. SCF is the lowest power of common factors. So common factors are 2 and 3, and lowest power of 2 is 2 and lowest power of 3 in common is 3. So SCF equal to 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now LCM multiplied by SCF equal to 3024 multiplied by 6 equal to 6 times 4 is 24. We carry 2. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 2 is 4. We write 4. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 2 is 14. We write 4 and carry 1. 6 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 times 3 is 18. So the product of LCM and SCF is 18,144. And product of numbers which is 336 multiplied by 54. This gives us 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. We write 4 and carry 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14. We write 4 and carry 1. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. And we multiplied by 5. We put 0 at the ones place. 5 times 6 is 30. We write 0 and carry 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. We write 8 and carry 1. 5 times 3 is 15 and 1 16. 4, again 4 on adding, 8 plus 3 is 11, we carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, and 1, 18,144. So we write product of the numbers equal to 18,144. Therefore, LCM multiplied by SCF equal to product of numbers. So we have verified in all the three questions that LCM multiplied by SCF equal to product of numbers. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.